Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to replace the filters on your York air conditioner and how to make sure that you are installing the right filter in the correct location. Now, first of all, before buying the replacement, you need to locate where your filter is installed. So as you can see over here on most of the York central air conditioning systems, the filter is not inside the outdoor condenser. Instead, it's usually located in the return air grill or the air handler or the furnace filter slot. So it is currently in the furnace filter slot and it is available over here. So depending on how your HVAC system was installed, you will find the filter location. Now, once you have found the filter, you just have to simply slide it out carefully and check the size printed on the frame. So once you have the size available, you need to simply purchase the filters as per those size. So as you can see over here, the size of the filter is usually 16 times 25 times 1. So you will see it something like this. Now, before installing the new filter, you need to also look for the airflow arrow, which is printed on its side. Now, the arrow should always printed towards the furnace or the air handler, which is the direction and the air flows through the system. So now you need to slide the new filter into the slot until it sits flat without bending. If your system has a filter access door or return grill, you can close it securely so that the air can't leak around the filter. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.